My name's Royanna Davies and I've taken the BTEC Foundation Diploma in Sports, Coaching and Development along with the Football Academy. I played my first game of football and rounders in primary school. I joined the Dalton Girls and Ladies football team, which then led me to take the Barry FC Performance Centre trials. And after being there for about 2 years, the team folded and luckily Morecambe Ladies contacted me. So now I've started playing for them and I'm playing at a high level. I get along with other students that are on my course really well, and the tutors are really nice as well. They'll help me when I'm struggling with things. In 10 years, I still want to be playing football for Morecambe or under the high level team. I kind of want to go to university so I can get my degree in sports, physical education, and I think physiotherapy I'm going to take as well. So hopefully in 10 years I'll either be a teacher or a physiotherapist maybe.